Hello everyone, once again welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this full video I will show you that how to set multiple timers on your iPhone with iOS 17. Now with iOS 17, Apple now allows users the ability to set multiple timers at once on their iPhones. The clock app, which until iOS 16 only allowed users to one timer at a time, now can be used to activate any number of timers, making it easy for you to keep up with multiple tasks at once. So now you can set any number of timers you want inside the timer screen. Once you begin the timer, all of your active timers will appear as live activities notification on your lock screen and notification center. Also, when you create a new timer on the clock app, it will be easily accessible inside a dedicated recent section from where you can reactive it at a later time. And you can easily pause or delete an active timer from within your iPhone's notification center or lock screen at any time. Make sure before you can set multiple timers on your iPhone, you need to make sure your device is running on iOS 17. To update your device to iOS 17, first of all go to Settings, then tap General, then in the Software Update you can find here. So from here you can download and install iOS 17. Now let's get started to set multiple timers. The process of setting up multiple timers is the same as setting any new timer on iOS 17. First of all, open the clock app on your iPhone. Now inside the clock, tap on the timer tab at the bottom right corner. Here, if you don't have an active timer, you will see the timer screen with 3 dials corresponding to hours, minutes and seconds at the top half of the screen. You can create a new timer by adjusting the dials as per the desired duration for the timer. Once you have set the preferred time, tap on the Start just under the dials to begin the timer. Also, you can set timers that you configured recently by looking for them under the Recent section on the timer screen. When you find a timer you should like to use from this section, tap on Start on its right hand side to activate it. If the subsequent timer you want to set isn't available under Recents, you can create a new timer by tapping on the plus icon at the top right corner of the timer screen. On the next screen, configure the second timer using the 3 dials for setting hours, minutes and seconds in the same way as you did with the first timer. Once you have adjusted these dials as per your preferred duration, tap on Start at the top right corner. This will easily activate the second timer and you should see both of your active timers on the timer screen. You can repeat these steps to add more timers on your iPhone. So that's how easily you can set multiple timers on your iPhone with iOS 17. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.